Don't worry, baby. I'm not gonna leave you out here tonight. One way or another, I'm gonna get you back inside your home. Good morning, beautiful people. How's it going? It's a lovely Saturday morning here in Vancouver. Absolutely gorgeous. It's freaking cold though, but it is what it is. It's winter. January's our coldest month. I'm actually heading out now to go meet some buddies for lunch. They're here from Washington, D.C., some friends of mine. There's some, artists, DJs, that DJ out there. They're, out here doing some investigations on some gear that they want to buy. So I hooked them up with a buddy of mine. So I'm going to meet with them, chill out with them for a bit, and we're probably going to go to Cactus Club, our favorite place. So, gotta show them the ropes, right? So I'm just waiting for them to pick me up, and then that's pretty much it. I'm gonna head out right now. All right, guys, let's head out. Just gonna set the alarm. Fam, we stuffed our faces, but it's good food. You like the food, man?
Amazing.
Was it good?
The food was good, man.
That was good. My friends are here from Washington, D.C. We're just checking out some audio stuff. So I'm taking them around today. All right, fam, just got home, just got dropped off. Good day today, meeting my buddies from Washington. I'm not sure what the plans are now. I just stepped in. Are we doing anything today, or?
Yeah, you have to pop to Home Depot.
Really?
Yeah. Come on, guys, love going Home Depot.
Yeah, I know, but I'm so lazy today. All right, I guess I gotta go Home Depot. Hey, fam, what's happening? So I gotta head out do a couple of errands. As you notice, the car is not in the garage there because the car is right here. And Ronnie won't start. I don't know why. I started it, pushed it out, stopped it, and then it just stopped working. So I don't know what's wrong with it. So I'll see some buddies can come over and help me push it in, but really frustrating. Absolutely frustrating. But anyways, I gotta get my errands done. So I'm here at the post office, actually in the pharmacy or drugstore, and I think Wifey's got a package I'm picking up for. Alright fam, so that's done. I gotta go to one more spot. I gotta pick up some bug spray because we're having some flies issue inside the house, so I'm gonna get some bug spray, spray the outside of the windows. Probably not tonight, obviously, it's getting dark, but I'll do it tomorrow. I hope it's still open. It's getting pretty late here on Saturday, so everything closes around 6 o'clock. I'm cutting it close. Alright fam, so I'm gonna make a trip here to Selfridge Hardware, which is right over there. Gotta pick up some bug spray for the windows. And that's pretty much it, man. Just gonna go home then. I'm not sure what the plan is today, but the girls are still at my parents' house. We're gonna pick them up, and we'll probably have dinner there as well. But we'll find out. Alright fam, so got the bug spray, gonna head home now. That's pretty much it. I just want to chill out today, to be honest with you. I just want to watch a movie or something. I'll see what Wifey wants to do. I told her to leave the kids with the parents for one more day, but I don't think she was too open to that idea. Alright fam, so the queen of the house has spoken. I'm gonna go out and grab some food. No, it's not cactus, but it's gonna be Greek. So I'm gonna go out now and get food for the family to eat. So let's go. What's happening? I'm here just gonna pick up the food from the restaurant and basically just head home. We love this place, this Greek place. This complex is extremely busy today. Like, there's absolutely no parking spots. As sad as it sounds, I actually have to park in a handicap spot. Absolutely regret it, but I had no choice. Like, I'll show you guys, there's like no spots here. Look at it, no parking spots. Absolutely full. Nothing. And I apologize, but I did park in a handicap spot, but I was going right there to pick up my food. Sorry guys, it was bad of me, but I had no choice. Alright fam, just got home with the dinner. I'm just gonna plate it and stuff we're gonna eat. Hey, how are you? Did you have fun at Grandma's yesterday?
Yeah.
Huh?
You can't see Rita because she went to Grandma and Papa's again.
Yeah. So Risa decided to stay another night with the grandparents, which is fine with us. So, but she didn't want to stay, obviously, because she's very homely kind of person, right?
And I missed you.
Oh, you missed me? Aw. I missed you too.
It wasn't really a sleepover because Mom was over.
Yeah, that's true. Alright guys, dinner time. So we got our Greek food. So chicken souvlaki right here. And I got some baked lasagna. Yes, I know that sounds weird that I got baked lasagna from a Greek spot, but they actually do Italian food there too.
And I'm eating nuggets and fry without ketchup. But I eat with ketchup. Nobody gave it to me.
Uh-oh, you want some?
And my sister's not here. You see that still at Grandma and Papa's.
Yeah. You want ketchup or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
And right now I'm gonna eat Greeks.
Okay.
Put that and that.
Okay. Fam, I want to show you guys something. It's like 11 o'clock. But, you gotta check this out. Like I said, I got her in the garage. Friend came over to help me out. It's really, really nice of him. We're outside pushing in the freezing weather, and that thing is really heavy, but we got her in. Big shout out to my boy man who came. He was on a date with his wife, and he came at like whatever time to help me out. So I greatly appreciate it, bro. We don't typically clean on a Saturday night, but because the week was so hectic, we didn't get a chance to clean. But you know, Wifey did an awesome job. Like, she came in and basically, look, just cleaned my whole office. It's so much nicer now. You know, I can't thank Wifey enough for that as well. Good day today. I got to meet my buddies from Washington, which is really nice. Got my car back in after it just didn't start anymore. So at the end of the day, I really lucked out today. But I wanted to say, if you're watching the vlog for the very first time, you know, thank you very much. I greatly appreciate it. Please subscribe and be part of the family. Of course, to my peeps, be you, stay optimistic, enjoy the rest of your night. Here's a big high five from me to all of you.